Nigga, nigga. Okay, but not too hard, buddy. Not too hard.
Have you all watched Nuevo Rico, Nuevo Pobre on Netflix? It's a hilarious telenovela remake from Colombia that follows two men, Andres and Brian, who were accidentally switched at birth. One came from a rich background and the other from a poor one. Decades later, the truth comes out and they have to switch lives, one becoming newly rich and the other newly poor. The storytelling is not only addictive, but some of the scenes around the kitchen table show the simple joys of Colombian food, which inspired us to find some good old home-cooked Colombian food ourselves, like the kind you'd find at Pizza y Pan Pa' Allá. Pizza y Pan Pa' Allá is a beloved Colombian bakery and pizzeria in Avondale, deeply rooted in tradition and known for its uniquely Colombian flavor combinations. It was founded about 9 years ago by a family from Boyacá, Colombia. We couldn't wait to try a little bit of everything.
Que ahí no se le van los ojos. Ah, mira, sí. Sí, se llama sema, Nabor. Era sema.
It's not hot anymore. Want a piece?
These are proofs.
Yeah, I know it's freshly squeezed. You know when you have freshly squeezed orange juice, sometimes you get like that pith flavor. That's in there, so I know it's squeezed. Touch it. Go like this. Is it soft? Nigga. Okay, but not too hard, buddy. Not too hard. It's soft. Está calientita.
Está calientita.
Nice and fluffy.
That's good.
But you know how kids are. They're like, you know. All right. Here it is with butter.
Yeah, I gotta try this.
See what I mean? Where it has like a sweetness to it?
It's like a whole wheat.
Yeah.
So in the series, it was Mogolla, so what's the name here?
I think it was Asema.
Asema. Okay. We'll find out here.
For our Colombian viewers, you can definitely
Tell us what it is.
Yeah, and correct us on it.
And then pandebono. I like this one better.
Maybe that one more?
Ay, qué bueno está.
Mama, I
Like, I have to
want
get
a
another one.
piece.
You want a piece?
But look at the inside, like
It's very spongy. Está bien rico, sabe como mantequilla.
yeah, it's like slightly sweet, kind of like the sweetness you get like when you eat corn. That's kind of like the sweetness that it reminds me of. But it does taste buttery, and it's kind of like spongy. It's a breakfast item. I haven't had breakfast today, so I'm gonna be brunching. And
That's like the best one.
yeah, so I saw this one on the menu. Se llama El Calentado, and it's basically like a mixed rice with beans, and then like an egg scramble with vegetables in it, and arepa. Okay, it's nice and toasty. The rice is kind of like a rice mamposteado, a mixed rice. We eat this a lot in Puerto Rico, probably in the Caribbean, but let's have it with some eggs. There we go. The rice has enough flavor for it.
There's no chicken nugget, but guess what they have? Rice and beans.
We ordered you pizza.
Do you want some rice?
You want to try some rice?
And yummy.
Try some rice.
Oh, good. I don't think I can eat the whole thing though. Es suyo. Like mitad y mitad, ¿sabes? I'll try this.
Let's see what you got there. I think so.
Fried pork. Can't go wrong.
Hot. No le metas el
No lo voy a...
yolk en el arroz.
No, lo voy a cortar por acá.
Shredded beef reminds me of like the Cuban ropa vieja. So give it a try. It has some, it's like green onions. It does have like that oniony flavor to it. Very good. And obviously, maduros. It's like ripe plantain, kind of banana-ish in texture and flavor. It's really good. Fried plantain. I really like fried. I really like fried. That was the Asian in me.
Lo más rico. Bueno, todo está rico.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a longaniza. We've had this before in Puerto Rico. This is what I wanted to show you. So obviously the darker parts are the meat and the lighter parts are the pork fat. But when it's deep fried like this, the pork fat kind of like, you know how people say it melts in your mouth? That's kind of like how the pork fat does. It kind of like melts, right? It's not very chewy. You just bite right through it and it adds a nice flavor. It does coat your mouth a bit, but it's really pleasant texture, especially when it's like crispy on the outside like this.
And I really like your shirt. You want to talk about it?
Oh, so this
Evan's
shirt,
art.
Yeah. So this shirt Maria got for me for Father's Day. Really nice shirt. It's by an artist named Evan's Art. Maria will probably put a link somewhere down here.
From
so
Chicago.
So you can go check out his art. He's from Chicago, so we always like to highlight Chicago artists.
So Nico got pizza. So we got a small, half pepperoni, half mushroom and chicken.
Yeah, that looks great.
And the chicken doesn't just taste like chicken. It's marinated, so it's full of flavor. Okay, I think this is my new favorite pizza. Right?
You're right. It's not just like kind of like pan fried chicken thrown on there. It seems like it was stewed chicken that was put on there, and the mushrooms are pan fried because they're not watery. Oh, that's good.
Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional, the Colombian edition. And as you can probably tell, it's the next day. I forgot to record this outro yesterday.
It was too hot.
It was really kind of like, it was really hot and we were struggling inside the car, so we totally forgot. But anyways, we went to Pizza y Pan Pa Allá, which is kind of like a Colombian pizzeria slash bakery. Really casual dining, really good place. Like, yeah, the food was great. I really liked my brunch plate. It was kind of like the mixed rice with the scrambled eggs with the vegetables and all that. Really good stuff. Mainly because we're kind of like used to eating something similar down in Puerto Rico. And then Maria had the combination plate, which as you guys saw, she ordered eggs over easy or over medium. And then had like 2 meats, which was the sausage and the kind of like shredded braised beef, I think. I don't know the difference between braised and stewed, so I'm sorry. Everything was so good. That plate, I've had different variations of that plate back home and at different restaurants, and I've always loved it. Mainly because I like that sweet and savory combination, so really good stuff. And the pizza, that really took me by surprise. How good the chicken was and the mushrooms, like that combo. A lot of toppings. Like, it wasn't sparse. You know, sometimes you go to a pizzeria and you get like sparse. No, here it was like it was loaded. We didn't eat it on camera at the restaurant, but we ordered dessert. We had an alfajor cake, which was great. It was really good. Alfajor, if you don't know, it's kind of like a cookie with dulce de leche in it. It's really good. Different countries have different variations from them. This one was kind of like the, I guess, not the cookie because it was a cake, but it had an alfajor top and it was really good. Like, if you go there, definitely order that. Order 1 or 2 because you're gonna want more than one. But overall, really great place. Like, I really enjoyed the food, very flavorful. Maybe it's my bias because I'm Hispanic. But if you guys are in that area, definitely drop by, stop, have some brunch or lunch, a pizza, and definitely the cake. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.